just thinking of the way it was 4 days in September. Days will never pass us by, days we will remember. In a passing smile, in a dreamy while, in a word too high to hold, we took away the silver gifts, but we left behind the gold. For we give and we took all that we could borrow. Yes, we left all our troubles far behind and had shelter in the rain. How I wish we could go back in time to the whole thing over again. Close your eyes, hang around, hear the sounds of freedom. It's in the air, it's everywhere. Shall we run to meet them? Oh, if only we could be back again by the fire with faithful flight. The warm wind blow, see clear water flow under that morning